everything I do. I gave it to you, Lord. I gave it to you, Lord. And do it thanks for you. Thanks for you. Every song I sing, every praise I sing, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, everything I have. All you have given me, all you have given me. I gave it to you, Lord. I gave it to you, Lord. You thank God, thank God. Every song I sing, every praise I do, everything I do is a gift to you. Amit, thank you. Good morning, my name is Gauri from class nursery. I am going to tell something about one festival. It is celebrated in Kerala. It is celebrated to thank the one, the other, it is also celebrated in the Team Marble is first very powerful and kind. Always also come festival flower. Thank you.
മലയാളി ഒന്നും മണ്ണിൻ കൂട്ടാളി ഒന്നും മതിലുകളില്ല സ്നേഹത്തേരാളി മണ്ണാണ് ജീവൻ മണ്ണിലാണ് ജീവൻ പൊന്നിൻ വിളകൾ കൊയ്തെടുത്തൊരു സ്വർഗം തീർക്കും ഞാൻ ഇവളൊരു സ്വർഗം തീർക്കും ഞാൻ
Wow, what a dance! Thank you, my friends. Now, may I call upon Khushi to tell you more about Onam. Over to you, Khushi. Good morning. My name is Khushi from class nursery. I'm going to tell you about Onam. Onam is a harvest festival celebrated by all the people. Kaikottikali or Tiruvantirakari are dances done on Onam. On the 10-day festival, flower decoration on the ground is made called Tukaram. Sadhya is the vegetarian meal served on banana leaf. Thank you. Thank you so much, Khushi. This was so wonderful. Now let us see a small play by my friend Kismena doing.
बेटा आपको जाना
देखिए कि मैं हर तरह अपने लाल में आऊं और ये मेरा
Bukan kaisa. Oh, jam 2 kan. Suara mungkin memang question.
Wow, very nice play. Thank you so much, my friend. Let us see a small PPT.
Today, we are celebrating large festival which is celebrated in Kerala known as Onam. This is Kerala. It is also known as God's own country. Onam is celebrated every year in Kerala. It is also known as State Festival of Kerala. Onam is most popular and harvest festival of Kerala. People make multicolored decoration with flowers on the ground in the front of their house on the day of Onam. Delicious food is prepared on this day, which is also known as Onam Sandhya, which is very tasty. Traditional games are played on this day, such as Kutkutu, boat race, etc.
Hope you all now.
Agar kuch now start.
Thank you so much, everyone. We hope you all now know about the flower festival Onam. May I request Ma'am Miss Nair to speak a few lines for us?
Good morning, my dear children. Sakshi, please tell me, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, good morning, my dear beloved children, dear parents, and my dear teachers. Pragun, so happy to hear from you, beta, and you were so wonderful today. With such confidence, you have done the comparing. I appreciate and congratulate Sakshi along with the parents. Pragun, wonderful job, beta. And to support Pragun, there was Adya. Adya, of course, you too was too good. So let me start with congratulating the participants today. Pragun and Adya have done a wonderful job. Redansh with the prayer. Thank you, child, for helping us to invoke the blessings from the Lord Almighty to begin the celebration today. Garima again spoke about Onam. Akshansh and Naira with a beautiful dance. I was taken back to Kerala. I could be a part of the festival many years back, and today you all helped me and the entire St. Thomas family to go back to the days of Onam celebration, which we used to have in our school too. And you will witness all these things. आप सबको जब स्कूल आप आएंगे, ये सारे जो फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेशंस आपने अभी अपने अपने घर में करके आपको उसका वीडियो या लाइव अभी दिखा रहे थे, we will be doing it together in school when you come back. So Pragun, again thanking you beta for the wonderful comparing. Khushi Handa, oh my God, beta, you spoke so well about Onam, and I was wondering to hear the word Kaikuttikali and Sadhya, Ona Sadhya, with such correct diction and pronunciation. Even Gayatri ma'am in her PPT, she couldn't say it properly, Ona Sadhya. In the PPT, Sadhya was not properly told, but Khushi Handa, and I'm so happy, beta, you did it well. That's Sadhya word again. Then about the Onam stories, Smita, I couldn't get the names of the two children who enacted Mahabali and Vamana.
Ma'am, Keshav and Advik Nigam. Keshav and
Advik. Beta, good, very good, very good. I will appreciate the parents too, because during this pandemic period, when जब हम आपस में एक दूसरे से मिल नहीं सकते हैं, गाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं, मतलब जो सपोर्ट हम एक दूसरे को दे सकते थे उतना नहीं हो पा रहा है, but still following the instructions from the teachers, Sakshi, Samriddhi, Smita, Gayatri, and the entire team, Monica, other kindergarten teachers led by Madam Sakshi, and with parent support. It was wonderful to see that Onam skit, Vamana, as well as Mahabali, Keshav and Advik. Very good. And it ended with a presentation by Madam Gayatri. Thank you for the wonderful events today. Now, to speak about Onam, I'm not going to say much because you have already said everything about Onam. But today, actually, even if we celebrate Onam for 10 days, Onam, starting with the first day called Attam, 10 days back, first day, then 10 days. But main 4 days we celebrate, and today is that one of the first days, Uttradam, we call it Uttradam, the first day. Now tomorrow will be Tiruvonam, the main Onam day. Then from there 2 more days, and it culminates with that. So I don't know how to express my happiness. I definitely know the hard work and pain taken by the team of teachers, supported by the wonderful parents, to have such a beautiful presentation today. But I will also talk about Muharram today, because today is actually Muharram. Onam is coming tomorrow, and we celebrated it Onam today here. So I would definitely talk about Muharram also. Muharram, that is, the word itself means forbidden. जो नहीं करना चाहिए, जो हमारे लिए मना है, that is called Muharram, forbidden. What is forbidden? क्या मना है हमारे लिए? Fighting, आपस में एक दूसरे से लड़ना, jealousy, एक दूसरे के बारे में jealous होना है, या कोई भी जो गलत काम, evil things, that is forbidden. So it's a pious day. आज बहुत अच्छा दिन है, Muharram भी है. So on this occasion of Muharram, when you celebrated Onam, तो क्या दिखाया? Actually it shows the religious harmony. India It's a diverse country. बहुत सारे religion है. So we celebrate Hindu festival, we celebrate Christian festivals, we celebrate Muslim festivals, everything, Sikh, everything. So we live in unity. So आज के दिन या हमेशा के लिए हमारे मन में किसी के लिए hatred नहीं होगा. We will live with love and harmony, and we will be living as Indians, and definitely we will be cherishing our own culture. We will practice our own religion, but we will respect every other religion also. And it was nice to be here. And once again, I appreciate, congratulate the students, the children first, for their wonderful involvement, supported by the team of teachers and my dear parents. Thank you so much. So it was an Onam Sadhya for me today, of course. I'm alone at home. My child is somewhere else. Husband has gone for job. So today I started my honor feast with my little ones, kindergarten, led by nursery. Thank you for the wonderful day.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Your presence was awaited by all the parents and children. And ma'am, for your surprise, it's only nursery today, no prep. It was entire nursery.
I know. But I expected some prep children must have joined to see it. That's why I addressed them. I know. Yes. It's the little ones. That's why I'm telling, without coming to school, without meeting the teachers physically, without being connected physically, this was awesome. I should not expect more than this now. Definitely, I will be expecting more in coming days, and I pray to God that we all should be in such a situation that our little ones are back to school, and the parents also will be happy to see that. So I would request if any one of the parents would like to say something about the school or the activities, about the work done by the teachers and the support, or anything from your end. I know some parents have already definitely will be with the children, because today maybe for most of you it's a holiday. If one of the parents would like to share your views, it will be very happy, because we nowadays do not get an opportunity to meet physically. This is one of the platforms wherein you can share your viewpoints with us if something is there, especially about the little ones, about the activities going on, about the lessons taken. Nothing. Nobody would like to see.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So it's a very wonderful thing, you know, we are doing together with the nursery class. So that was quite surprising for us as well, because we can't expect, you know, our wards to present such kind of activity, especially in the time of pandemic.
Yes.
So this was a great and wonderful efforts, and, you know, great initiative led by the teachers of the St. Thomas School and the entire management of the St. Thomas School, those who are giving the opportunity to, you know, incorporate all these things together on this digital platform. So I would like to thank you all, and especially Sakshi ma'am, the way she teaches our students, the way, you know, she incorporate the new things to learn, or to, you know, to educate our children in such a better way, so that they can understand in an easy way, so in a fun-loving way. So this is really commendable, and great efforts to the Gayatri ma'am as well, because we are seeing day in and day night, in the morning, the evening, their efforts is, you know, really commendable. So thank you all. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is so lovely. So we are thankful to you, sir. On as a representative, I will take it as a representative from the community, that is kindergarten, especially nursery, and we will continue with the kind of good job that we have been trying to do all these days. And of course, about Madam Sakshi, she has got such a rich experience, and she is the kindergarten coordinator too. I don't have any doubt about how it is going to be in the future days when the school reopens, especially for the kindergarten ones. And to the parents, जो भी आज join हुए हैं, उनके लिए मैं एक और बात बता रही हूँ, जो आपको definitely साक्षी मैम ने बताया होगा. I am trying to mix up Hindi and English. If anybody is not comfortable with English, for them I am trying to mix it, otherwise I am not so good in Hindi. So what I am trying to say is, आपने school से printed notebooks लिया है. When you took admission here, we were supposed to follow national education sorry, we were not supposed to follow national education policy 2020, and if we exactly follow that, then before class 1 we were supposed to have 3 years, that is nursery, then lower KG, then upper KG. But as on date we haven't received any clear-cut instruction from the government, so we thought why to waste 1 year of the children. That's why we will be having this year nursery and prep, then our children will move to class 1. So for that, there will be slight variations in the syllabus, which Sakshi ma'am will definitely be taking up in the class to prepare the children to go very smoothly. The transition from nursery to prep should be very smooth, and Sakshi will definitely be taking care of all those things. But what I request from you as a parent is to give the required support, because printed notebooks have already come. So whatever support the child is required at home to follow the instructions or guidelines given by Ma'am Sakshi and Ma'am Gayatri. So please take it seriously and do it. The rest, it is going to be very fun-loving act with the full of fun-loving filled activities in the class. So it is not going to be a burden at all, even if some slight changes in the syllabus will be there. And if a couple of students, maybe 4 to 5 students, जो ये syllabus वाले part को उसी तरीके से follow करने में अगर कोई difficulty उनके लिए हो रहा है तो definitely Sakshi along with Gayatri will be taking some extra lessons also for them. So no worries about that, but you need to give academics part a little more priority along with the activities that are being planned for the school, sorry, for the class. Thank you so much for your feedback, your opinion, and I one hand is up. I don't know whose is that. If somebody wants to tell something, you can.
Good morning, ma'am. May I say something?
Yeah, please.
Yes,
Shivanya, who is
Shivanya,
that?
yes.
Shivanya,
Ma'am, yes,
please.
yes.
Shivanya, please.
Ma'am, my name is Aradhya from
Aradhya.
Pepsi.
Aradhya, then beta, you're Aradhya or
Ma'am, actually they both are cousin, na? They live in a city, so that's why they are sitting together. She's Aradhya, Shivanya and Aradhya both are cousin.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, again, phone is not working.
I'm not able to hear you properly, beta. What was your question, or did you ask?
Ma'am, thank you for inviting.
Oh, very good, very good. Welcome, beta. Welcome. It's so lovely and awesome. Okay, thank you, beta. Thank you. You're always welcome. You're always welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Oh,
Thank you, parents. Thank you so much. Thank you for your all cooperation, your work, your presence. It means a lot to us. Thank you, and we are seeking the same cooperation from you all in future too, in future assemblies. Thank you so much for giving your time. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.
Sakshi, once
Yes,
again,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
today or tomorrow, sometime we kindergarten teachers must meet for Utsav, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
We will.
okay. Then with your
Okay.
permission, I'm leaving. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, parents. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you, Pragun, Kushi, Garima, Retan, Shadia. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Love you all. God bless. Happy Onam. Enjoy. Bye. Bye. Happy Onam.
Ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes, ma'am.
मैम अखान कुछ कहना चाह रहा है आप दोनों को बोल
हाँ जी अक्षांश यस अक्षांश इतना सुंदर सुंदर डांस किया अक्षांश ने मैम ने भी बोला ये तो बहुत अच्छा डांस किया हाँ?